Hello everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for the latest tech updates and gadget review. And today I have got something useful, especially for all the online sellers out there. Yes, this is the brand new website called MJ Pro Calci. This is the automatic marketplace profit calculator, guys. If you are selling on Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho or any other e-commerce marketplace, so then this tool is going to change the game for you. Yes, it is going to be very useful for you. Let's check it out how powerful and accurate this calculator is. So guys, here you can see this is the home page, MJ Pro Calci. So basically this MJ Pro Calci is a powerful online profit calculator built for sellers on platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, as I have already told. It quickly calculates all your shipping charges, GST, base fees and your commission, all the things that an e-commerce platform needs. So let's try it. So let's start by quickly exploring what this calculator actually does. The first one is marketplace. So here you choose where you are selling, like Amazon. Here you can see Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Meesho, or if you are other e-commerce platform like Nykaa. So you can also add that Nykaa. So you can custom your marketplace. Then here base price. Here you can see base price is actual price you are purchased from. Like the one product that you have purchased is around of 40 rupees and now you want to sell this is the next is selling price. In here you have to choose, enter the product cost price you want to sell. Like now I want to sell this product of 600. Yeah, and the commission. This commission fees this changes based on the marketplace, guys. So this Pro Calci adjusts it automatically. Okay, if your marketplace have 5%, so you have to enter 5, 10, 15, 20, or you can also custom here. Here if you have a commission of 20, 30 rupees, okay, so you can add also. So mostly it will not happen 5%. The closing fees. Here you can know what is the closing fees, that the platform fixed deduction. This closing fees is the platform's fixed deduction. Then here you can see you can also adjust it, these 20 rupees, whatever it may be. Then shipping fees. Here you can add how much you can give the shipping fees, 60, 70 rupees. And return percentage, because we all know returns impact our profit too. So you can add just 10 rupees, 10% of your packaging is 80. Now just enter your GST rate. It may vary based on the product. If you are selling groceries or clothes, so it may vary the GST percentage. Okay guys. Now add promotion. This ad promotion is spent if you are running marketplace ads, includes that too. So here's the best feature of this. So you can add promotion percentage also, like I'm giving you 5%. Now you can tap on calculate. Yeah, amazing. Here you can see, guys, I have entered all my values given and it is providing you a net profit of 264 rupees. So this is very easy, guys. In just one click, this MJ Pro Calci gives you the complete profit analysis. So this is the best thing. The first, it will provide you net profit, that after all fees and deductions you will get this net profit. So it will give you the best thing. It will calculate the profit margin, how much you actually earn on each sale, total cost breakdown, where exactly your money goes, like commission, fees, GST, ads. So it will break down your all the fees and it will gives you the total net profit. So this is the best thing. So what I love about this MJ Pro Calci is how transparent it is. You are not just getting a random number, you are getting complete insights. It helps you understand whether your product is actually profitable before you even list it. So no more guesswork, no more confusion, just smart, data-driven selling decisions instantly, guys. Now let's try one more. Suppose I am selling the same speaker on Flipkart and this calculator automatically adjusts the default. Now enter the base price like 200 and selling price will be 2000 And yes, closing fees, shipping fees same, and return 10, and packaging fees 80, GST 5%, and ad promotion is 5. And the other best feature is set as default. So now you can tap on set as default. Here you can see your current settings are set as default. Next time you visit this page, your preference will be loaded. So guys, it will be automatically set as default. So next time if you are using, so you can calculate. And here you can see the net profit is 1220 rupees. That's the full demo of this MJ Pro Calci, the marketplace profit calculator, a simple, powerful and accurate tool designed for all online sellers. So it's completely web based guys, works on both PC and mobile and updates in real time. Here you can see how does this calculator work, how it is performing. It will show how this website is built and how it is working, how it is calculating with all its formulas. And you will get this brief summary of table. And guys, if you want to use this website via mobile also, you can use it. I have given the website link in the description. Just copy and paste on the Google Chrome and it will be loaded, so you can use via mobile also. Go ahead guys, try it out for yourself. The link is in the description below, and share it with your friends so they may also help it. And let me know in the comments how it worked for your business. If you found this video helpful guys, don't forget to like, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Amazing tech tools, product reviews and unboxing videos. Thanks for watching.